In my training, I work primarily with faculty and TAs who will need to implement software into their online or blended learning courses. Zoom is a web conferencing tool. It allows for virtual meeting spaces where members can meet one-on-one or in groups to collaborate. Faculty and TAs will often use Zoom to hold online meetings or office hours. Students can use Zoom to meet with their instructors, but they can also take advantage of Zoom for group projects. While teaching Zoom, I found that different teaching approaches strongly impacted how quickly the students were able to grasp the software. I constructed 2 different training sessions from different perspectives to see which one the students would benefit from more. The first training session was in a lecture style. Students came into a classroom to learn the software. During the lecture, I explained the purpose of the software. I also walked them through different examples of how they might implement the software into their courses. In this session, we were able to create individual meetings and practice with the software. Students were able to ask questions and receive one-on-one assistance with their meeting spaces. However, because we were all in the same room, we were not able to use the audio features with Zoom. Additionally, each individual did not have their own webcam. Although they were able to see examples, this definitely made the learning more difficult. The students did notice and ask about these features during our test meetings.
Can we do more with the audio in Zoom while we're here?
Even though we all have our mics here, unfortunately we'll get a lot of feedback since we're all in the same room together. That's why we don't actually have our sound on right now.
Right now we are all in our own meeting space. What will it look like if we were all in the same meeting space? Can we see every person participating?
Right, so even though you don't have your webcams on right now, you'll just see a little icon as we're working together, but when you are in a meeting space with multiple individuals, you'll be able to see everyone. In my second Zoom session, I did the training virtually. I created an online meeting space in Zoom. Then I allowed students to join the meeting. Students were learning how to use Zoom by interacting in the Zoom session. This allowed the training to be much more interactive than the lecture session. Students were more willing to experiment within their meeting space. They experimented with the rights levels. We practiced recording sessions and adjusting the audio functions. We were able to look through many of the different settings and tools Zoom offers, and then take turns using them within the meeting room. Additionally, in this session, students interacted more with mobile devices as well as their computers. Overall, they gained a much better understanding of how to use Zoom.